Okay, repeat after me. Facts tell, stories sell. You got that? Facts tell, stories sell. Here's the tip of the day. Use storytelling to explain the really difficult financial concepts that you understand. The reality is, if you want to explain a complex product, don't lecture, just tell a story. Talk about a client who took action, a mistake someone avoided. You got to remember that stories stick, so use them. The reality is, you're not in the numbers business. You're in the clarity business. And the quicker you get that, the more trust you will earn with your clients, the more money you're going to earn for your business. And nothing creates clarity like a story. So start collecting these go to client stories. Have one that's a success, have one that's a mistake, have one that's a breakthrough, and then practice them. They don't got to be scripted or rehearse them, but just in those moments, tell those stories when you know you need to do one, and you will just earn incredible trust with your clients. You want more information about how you can improve your client communication skills? Go to speakwithpeople.com/speak with your client.